This is the most powerful tool in your arsenal. Hi, I'm Stephanie from Couture, Costumes, and Cats, and today I'm going to teach you how to take your own body measurements. That's right, you can do it by yourself. That's right, today we're talking about the dreaded M word, measurements. Taking your measurements is really not that hard. It just takes a little bit of time and practice. Remember to be kind to yourself. Much like your age, your measurements are just a number. So whether you're a sewist wondering what size pattern you should buy or make, or you're just shopping online for some clothes and accessories, you can't really get away with at least knowing some of your body measurements. So I thought I would make a video so that you could refer back on how to take a specific measurement if you forget or if you're not quite sure how to get the most accurate reading. So the best way to take your body measurements is in your regular underwear so that you can get a really accurate reading. But if you're going to wear clothes like I am, make sure that it's a thin material and form-fitting so that you can get a pretty accurate reading. So all you need to get started is a measuring tape like this one. It needs to be soft so it can wrap around your body. You'll need access to a chair so you can sit down through some of the measurements that are a bit trickier to take standing up. And you should have access to a mirror to make sure that your tape is on straight and to actually read some of the measurements. And you need a list of measurements. You can use the one that I linked in this video, and you can just keep it open on your computer or actually print it out and write it down with a pen or pencil. All right, let's get started. You may need to measure your head circumference if you're buying or making a hat. So just wrap the tape around your head as straight as you can. For your neck circumference, you're going to want to take the measurement at the base of your neck. Your neck length is a bit more tricky. You're going to find your collarbone and you're going to put the tape at the bone there and pull it up to your chin and keep it taut. Make sure your chin is straight. Let's start with the hand measurement. You might need it for glove making. So just wrap the tape around your palm and you're good to go. And for your wrist measurement, just wrap the tape on your wrist right below your hand. For the forearm circumference, we're going to measure right below the elbow. Moving up the arm to your bicep. So you can flex to make sure that you get an accurate reading and wrap the tape around so that it doesn't fall. And then as you flex, hold the tape. Holding the tape really taut, you're going to measure from shoulder point to shoulder point. You need to know the shoulder to wrist length for sleeve making. So this one's a bit tricky. Put the tape at the shoulder point and let it dangle. And once it settles, take the measurement at your wrist. Place the tape right above your bust, right where your underarm is. And keep your arms down and relaxed. Have a quick look to make sure that it's on straight. Your full bust is taking at the largest part of your bust. So my tape is slipping around a little bit, but take your time Make sure that it's all around in the right spot. And then lower your arms and relax them. For your under bust, put the tape on your rib cage right under your bust and keep your arms down and relaxed. For the next few steps, we're gonna tie a ribbon around your waist. To find your natural waist, bend your body to the side. Your waist measurement is a really important one to take. You need to know your waist measurement for pretty much any garment that you're gonna make. Top, pants, dresses, everything. Now use the measuring tape right on top of that ribbon to measure your waist. To find a length from your neck to your waist, find your collarbone again. Put the tape at the collarbone down to the ribbon. For the back, bend your head forward and find the most prominent bone in the back of your neck. And hold the tape and pull it down to the ribbon. Try to hold it as straight as you can. Your hips are your widest part of your body, so find the widest part and put your tape across. And look in the back to make sure that your tape is on straight, so you might need to lift it on your bum. Measure your high hip around your body across your hip bones and belly, which is about 3 inches down from your waist. Find your hip bone with your fingers and roll the tape down from your waist to the hip bone. First up is the thigh. I'm using a stool to lean on, and I'm wrapping the tape around the thickest part of my thigh. For the calf, I'm going to wrap the tape around the thickest part of my calf. For the knee, I'm just bending my leg 90 degrees and wrapping the tape in the crease. For the ankle, you can sit or stand. Just make sure you wrap the tape at the base right before the foot. For the outer seam, my tape was not behaving, so I decided to tape it at my ankle and pull it up all the way up to my waist ribbon. Same thing for the inseam. I taped it on the inside of my ankle, put my legs together, and then pull it up to your crotch. All right, we did it. It wasn't really that hard now, was it? Feel free to message me if you have any more questions. And in the meantime, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.